Hey, everybody, Nominark here. What? I got Modern Warfare 3. So, just thought I'd show you the new match, Team Defender. You know, if you think it's that bad, it's really not. It's actually a really good way to get XP in this game. No jokes, like, it's unbelievable. And, you know, kill confirmed, it's not that bad either. I don't know, but I'll just show you a little preview of what you can do. Here we go.
Team Defender. Take no prisoners, comrades.
So, if you get the flag and hold it, you will get double points.
You lost the flag.
So yeah, that's pretty much all that's pretty much all there to it. So, yeah, show you all there is to it. I don't know, I'll So yeah, you kind of just, and if you get the flag, it's kind of double points. So, well, that's all I wanted to show you guys. So, see you next time.